Talason is a good spirit that guards buildings or structures, and it's only evil towards people who appear with bad intentions. It is believed that Talason arises from the shadow of human beings, whose shadow is built into a building, and all this is a consequence of a belief that whose shadow is built in, that after some time that person dies, and his soul remains permanently attached to that building, as a Talason that appears only at night. It is believed that Talason is invisible, and only dogs and people born on Tuesday or Saturday can see it. According to the Greek belief, the shadow is the equivalent of a soul, which is why it is believed that when the shadow is built into the foundation, it separates from the body and remains in that building forever. People would bypass the construction sites that some craftsmen would not secretly build in their shadow in the foundation. It was believed that craftsmen would measure the shadow of a random passerby with a red thread, and then that thread would be laid lightwise under the foundation stone, with the hope that the object would stand, while the person whose shadow was taken away would die in less than a year. People used to throw in the head of a rooster during the construction of the foundation as an animal sacrifice. The construction of a shadow or sacrifice during the construction of public buildings appears in many examples of South Slavic poetry, such as the construction of Skadar on Bojana or the construction of a bridge near Visegrad. I hope you like this video. Goodbye and see you in the next one.